A new patient. Oh, I got the hiccups and I got it bad. Nurse Maggie, begin preparation of the secret hiccup elixir. Milk, ice cream, maple syrup, cream of broccoli, hot sauce. No way, man. I knew it. Not enough hot sauce. Climb into the... treatment apparatus, please. Confidentially, Nurse Maggie, this treatment has occasional side effects. But the side effects are somewhat entertaining, are they not, Nurse Maggie? I'm stumped, Nurse Maggie. This is the worst case of hiccups we've ever treated. That's it! A combination of our previous techniques followed by the scare treatment.
Like this.
There we go. Now we have corn going right there. Remember, this patch is our summer patch. Okay, let's go 3 more.
It can't mix. I pronounce this patient cured.
There we go. Now we have 10 right there. Okay, let's keep going.